I'm going to talk to you about Vantage Wrap and its bumper. And here's a product right now on the boat itself. Basically what it gives you is a nice color coming down half the boat, and then gives you a nice big bumper on the side of the boat. And what this bumper does, it prevents the boat from getting dented if you go stop at a dock at a restaurant, or loading your boat into a ramp area, or going into your boat lifts. So it's a great product. People love it. It actually makes your boat look like new for a long period of time. This is actually a used product that's been on the boat for over a year already. I'm going to show you what happens to a boat as it gets older in time. Here's what occurs with a pontoon boat over time. All the pontoons get dark gray. They get lots of scrapes in them, dents, and everything in that area. As you can see, the Vantage Wrap maintains its color, and the bumpers are guaranteed for 5 years. And these are all the different colors that you can pick and choose from.